happened?
People will have to go in also.
Okay, sir, what happened in court today?
Well, it went off very well because the court heard all parties in detail. The additional Solicitor General did not turn up because he was busy with something else. So naturally, finally the matter had to be adjourned. And after the adjournment, the decision that will have to be adjourned, the court then made searching questions. This son's lawyer, he said that this is there's no substance in it and this is pure publicity seeking. So the judge remarked that from day one there has been publicity. He is only come in now, and so how can you say that? I also said that I'm a politician who's known all over the country and the world, and I can get publicity anywhere. I've got landmark judgments, as it was mentioned by Mr. Rahul Mehra in the previous occasions. So this is not a question of only for publicity. And on the contrary, the son never made an appearance anywhere except to write letters that he wants this matter to be settled quickly so that he can get his property in Canada. He has got all the property of Sunanda in Dubai. He has not disclosed that he is a citizen of Canada and therefore he is not entitled to a writ petition. So this was converted into a miscellaneous petition.
This is not the place to have it. You're holding up.
Please go that way. So that therefore the issue is that I said that he's come in because of some obscure reasons, and the court heard that, and then it was finally decided that the court then asked the Delhi police advocate that in the status report you have said this happened, this happened, this happened, but why did it take so long in between? Each one of those you have to give an explanation. You knew that the mobile phones were all and the laptop was all deleted data. What did you do till now? So we want every paragraph detailed explanation why the delay took place.
We also saw the Delhi High Court slamming the Delhi police and their investigation several times. They asked who has filed this status
That's
report.
right.
What was that, sir, about?
That's right. Because they said the lawyer disowned himself from the status report saying it has been filed by the IO. He said, how can an IO file? You're a lawyer, you should know this. It has to be through the lawyer. So are you owning it up or not owning it up? So I think all told, I think the court has understood that there has been extraordinary, inexplicable delay. I also mentioned that in the status report they have said that the All India Medical Institute report, the committee gave multiple opinions. That I said is not true. Each time it was that it was an unnatural death and due to poison.
So the court has also asked for additional status report with further details.
Yes.
The court has pulled up the police for...
That's right, giving general and vague, absolutely. And false. There was also false.
Mr. Swamy, do you feel attempts to close the case have failed now?
Absolutely. With the judges having been completely convinced that there is a delay which has to be explained, I think now the attempt of the son also to see that I leave the case on the grounds that he thinks that I'm getting for only publicity. The court said that this has been happening all the time. And let me tell you very...
Things that you said about the son, sir, in the court.
I said about his son, number one, he has never written a letter to anybody except to the All India Medical Institute Medical Board saying that please hurry up because my property question in Canada is not being settled because of that. I said subsequently there was no probate. So all the properties of Sunanda have now been transferred to the son, number one. Number two, he was in jail in Dubai for narcotics use charge. And as a minister, Shashi Tharoor went and got him out. And is that he has come now on a writ petition essentially to block me. on specious ground that it is publicity seeking. I said, I am known all over the country and all over the world. So the question of my seeking publicity through Sunanda's death is meaningless.
So has the court made any observations with regard to these allegations and counter allegations?
No, the court listened to all of them, but made searching questions of Delhi police, and they were on the mat today. And I think now they have to file a detailed report. That's why they have taken the date of August 30th as the next
Very
date.
interestingly, they also asked, are you satisfied with the Delhi police?
Yes, they asked me. I said no. The other,
Also asked the Delhi Police Council and
Yes.
the Petitioners Council to say to give them whether they are satisfied with the Delhi
Yes.
Police report, and both of them have apparently said that no, we are not satisfied with what has been filed.
well, it was a roundabout saying we were not satisfied, and that is why they said file additional status report.
What would the additional status report really have in it now?
The explanation of the time factor. And the fact that they have to correct what they just said, that they had to go for another opinion because the All India Medical Institute Board did not give one single opinion, they gave multiple opinions.
The petition by Shiv Menon seems more like trying to question you in coming to
That's
court.
right, they know that it is. They say that he has now multiplied million times the publicity that was there before.
But the court has denied this.
They didn't take it seriously.
Sir, is there anything about time bomb investigation?
No, there's one thing which is, I must say was very good. The court asked the son's advocate, do you want this investigation? Are you satisfied with the investigation? He said no. He said, do you want it done quickly? He said yes. So he said, well, what do you want done? He said, I want to reach the final stage. That's all what we want. So he has in fact committed that he is supportive of my petition.
Sir, Republic TV brought out,
And that's what he said. Dr. Swami also wants the same thing.
Sir, Republic TV brought out a very shocking statement yesterday of Dr. Sudhir Gupta, which was submitted to the...
I mentioned that. I said this is what the police themselves have recorded. And therefore it is something...
So can we expect that to be a part of the...
Of course, that is certainly. That will implicate Mr. Shashi Tharoor. All right, thank you.
Sir, did you mention that three evidences that came yesterday? Dr. Sudhir Gupta's autopsy is so clear whether he's naming Tharoor as having directly contacted him. When Republic got Dr. Sudhir Gupta's statement, it's clearly indicating that there does seem to be Tharoor's name cropping up here for the first time.
Absolutely, Tharoor name is there because otherwise why they objecting to my petition?
स्वामी जी हिंदी में आज सुनंदा वाले मामले में